train. The one that we were filming in Thunder Bay. We saw it coming on our way to Nippigan. So now we're like halfway between Nippigan and Thunder Bay.
Hate waiting for trains.
So we're gonna film it, and hopefully we're on the right track.
Sometimes if you can hear them vibrating the track, that is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try that and see if trains come.
I have a feeling this is the old track and that it won't actually come.
Nope.
Brian doesn't think that at all. But he has been wrong multiple times before.
I'm lying, I don't really know. I just thought it might work.